All right, this is. Let me sit over here.
You gotta have some pizzazz if you're gonna do it.
All right, ready?
Back again, the greatest plumber of all time.
Who was that guy? This is Julius Bogner with Drop the Plumber. Today I'm going to show you the right way how to use Teflon tape on your NPT joints. I'm going to use 2 wrenches, Teflon tape, and then my fittings that we're going to join. So first, I always take my pipe I'm going to wrap, my threads I'm going to wrap, I put them in my left hand. I take my tape like so. And I wrap my first couple fittings. So I do 3 wraps. Push them down. I thread in by hand so I don't cross thread. Okay. Take my wrench. Okay, so you never bury the threads all the way in to the female part of your connection. You could a thread, 2 threads out on a 1/2 inch pipe. But you never bury it down all the way. You'll actually make it leak. The threads, the pipe's actually beveled. The connection's actually beveled. So I hope this was helpful. And this is Drop the Plumber. This is Julius Bogner here. Continue watching, and we'll see you again down the road.